A shelter so high. Question from textbook solved. Find out. First question. Check in your map which state would she pass through while traveling from Mumbai to Kashmir. Answers. Every traveling from Mumbai to Kashmir on would pass through Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Second question. Gaurav Jani passed through several states while going from Mumbai to Delhi. Find out capital cities of this state. Was there any other big town on his way? Answers. Gaurav Jani passed through several states. Their capital cities are as follows: Maharashtra, Mumbai, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Haryana, Chandigarh. Some of the big cities on his way would be Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Chandigarh, etc. Third question. Is Manali a plain or hilly area? In which state is it? Answers. Manali is a hilly area and is in Himachal Pradesh. Tell. First question. Have you ever stayed in a tent? Where? What was it like? Answers. Yes, I had stayed in a tent when I was on a camping trip to Kullu. It was a great adventurous experience for me. Second question. Imagine that you were to stay alone in a small tent for 2 days and would take with you only 10 things. Make a list of those 10 things. Answers. If I were to stay alone in a small tent for 2 days, I will take following 10 things with me: clothes, sweater, blanket, torch, packed food, water, stove, mosquito repellent, shoes and camera. Third questions. What are the different types of houses that you have seen? Tell your friends about it. Make drawing too. Answers. I have seen different types of houses at different places. Following is the list of some houses. A. Thatched put made by dry leaves and mud walls. B. Puka houses made of brick and cement. C. Stilt houses made on bamboo stilts. Right. First question. During winters, Tasi and his family live on the ground floor. Why would they be going so? Answer. There are no window on the ground floor. This would keep the room warm even during winters. That is why Tasi and his family live on the ground floor during winters. Second question. What is the roof of your house like? What all is the roof used for? Answer. The roof of my house is flat and is made of brick and cement. We use the roof for drying clothes and also for drying potato chips, papad, papped aam, papad, etc. During summers, we also sleep on the rooftop. Find out. First question. At what height is the place where you live? Answers. I am living in Delhi. It is situated at a height of 220 meters above the sea level. Second question. What did Gaurav Jani stay? This place is so high that it is difficult to breathe normally. Answer. The air becomes thinner when go to high altitudes. The level of oxygen in air becomes less, hence it becomes difficult to breathe. No need to apply a lot of effort to breathe in at high altitudes. Third question. Have you ever been to a hilly place? Where? Answers. Yes, I have been to Kullu, which is a hilly place. Fourth question. At what height was it? Did you have any difficulty in breathing there? Answers. Kullu is about 2000 meters from the sea level. Yes, I found it difficult to breathe when I was there. Fifth question. What is the highest place you have been to? Answer. The highest place I have been is Rohtang Pass. It is about 4000 meters from the sea level. Sixth question. From the Chang Pass, their animals are a very important part of their life. Is any animal part of your life? For example, as a pet or as helpers in farming. List 5 ways in which different animals are a part of your life. Answers. I have a pet dog which is an important part of my life. 5 ways in which animal can be important part of our lives are as follow. First, dogs are the best friend of men. They protect our house. 2. Cow. Cow is an important source of milk. 3. Buffalo. Buffalo is an important source of milk. And 4th, buffalo. Buffalo is used for farming activity and for pulling bullock carts. 5. Horse. Horse is often used for pulling carts. Find out. First question, you read that in Chengtheng the temperature drops below 0 Celsius. Look at a newspaper or on the TV to find cities in India or abroad where the temperature drops below 0 Celsius. In which months do you expect to see this? Answer. There are many cities in India where the temperature drop below 0 Celsius. Example, Simla, Ladakh, Leh, etc. Outside India, places which get sub-zero temperature at Ottawa, Minnesota, etc. This happens during the month of December and January. Tell. First question, the house is different part of Jammu and Kashmir are made to suit the climate and the needs of the people there. Are there different types of houses in the place where you live? If you think about the region. Answer. Yes, there are different types of houses in my cities. There are multi-storied buildings which suit the budget of the middle class family. There are bungalows which are preferred by rich people. There are houses made of tin roofs and thin walls which suit the budget of poor laborers. Second question, think of your own house. Is there something special in it, like a sloping roof as it rains a lot, or a country hut where you can sleep when it is hot, or where things are kept in the sun for drying, etc. Make a drawing. Answers. Yes, my house has 2 big bungalows. We use the balconies for sitting and also for drying many things. The balcony gives proper ventilation and natural lights to the rooms. Third question, what are the materials used for making your houses? Is it mud, brick, stone, wood, or cement? Answer. The material used in my houses are brick, cement, wood, and iron. Discuss and write. First question, can you guess the similarities and differences in the life of Bakarwal people and the life of the Gangpas? Answer. Similarities between Bakarwals and Gangpas. First, both of them live in the mountains of Jammu and Kashmir. Second, both of them keep on wandering from one place to another. Third, they are dependent on animals like goat, yak, sheep, etc. Fourth, they earn livelihood by smelling of wood obtained from these animals. Difference between Bakarwals and Changpas. First, Bakarwal graze any type of goat and sheep at any place, but Changpas graze a special type of goat at high altitude. The goats of Changpas develop more and softer hair at high altitudes. Second, Bakarwals stay at low altitude also, while Changpas stay at high altitudes. What we have learnt. First question, describe how these shelters suit the needs of the people who live there. Answers. I have read about different types of houses in Jammu and Kashmir. Each type suits the needs of its occupants. The house boat and donga is a complete house on the boat. Every facility is available in the houseboat, which gives comfort to its occupants. These houses made of stone and the wood provide a good insulation during cold weather. Tent house used by Changpas are good for the wandering lifestyle of the people. Second question, what are these different from the house you live in? Answers. Our houses are made from brick and cement and are ideal for moderate weather. Unlike the tent houses of Changpas, our houses are immovable. These are permanent and strong houses.